Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: headset charged, Bluetooth or cable connected, and gym class app closed. Once done, open VR settings and select audio then microphone so the system sees inputs. You should also physically inspect the mic boom or inline mic for debris or a disconnected jack. Fix any loose plugs now. Make sure you're in a quieter area. Background noise will confuse calibration. This first pass gets hardware and system ready before deeper configuration. Now you configure and calibrate. In the headset or game audio menu, set mic gain to about 40 to 60%, and if available, turn off aggressive auto gain so levels stay steady. Then pick a directional mic or enable noise suppression to reject gym ambience. This improves clarity when others are loud. Run the in-app mic test, speak at your normal gym class volume, and watch the level meter. Adjust gain and mic position until your voice sits just below clipping, but clearly above back. Finish by locking in settings and restarting the gym class app so changes apply. Rejoin the session and confirm classmates hear you. Ask one person for a quick check. If echo or feedback appears, move speakers away from the mic, reduce local speaker volume, or switch to push-to-talk to eliminate looped audio. If your mic still fails, try a different input device or a short headset firmware update. Keep one troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, a quick restart of the headset often clears driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.